Oh, we're in. Why are we in a helicopter? It's a heli.
I'm in a helicopter, Moose. I just skipped the whole thing. Moose, we're in. Let me close the door. Why are we up in the... Oh no, we're up in a mountain? Oh god. That's gonna be interesting. Moose, we're on a mountain. We're gonna get fucked real hard, Moose.
Weeks missing. 31, 31, 31.
Moose, you know you can skip it, right?
Yeah, but I want to watch it.
Well, I already saw a lot of that, so you do you. Please don't crash. Oh, let's go open the inventory. Didn't crash. But
Why does he have a tattoo called Fight Demons?
Moose, this guy. Oh my god. Well,
Who shot the plane? Who's got a gun and is shooting the plane?
Moose, you didn't play the first one, so you don't know.
No.
Yeah, you should play it further.
I remember watching the end of it like a long time ago. Oh, it's so laggy. They're both dead. Oh.
Okay, I got Kevin, Moose. Kevin, wake the fuck up. I'm gonna throw a bomb in this hole.
Did I just get thrown out of a heli? Oh no.
Yeah.
And the heli landed on top of me.
Okay, Moose, we gotta build a shed before any of our game crashes. Trust me, you won.
Who's this? Ah! Not my throat! Ah!
Moose, where are you at? Oh, shit.
I just got knocked out.
Oh, you're
From
still
someone.
alive.
Someone just knocked me
We
out with
need
a gun.
sticks. We don't have sticks. Oh, there you are. Ooh.
I'm black?
Oh shit.
Did you just hit me?
Nah. I think that was God. It was a sign. Moose. Wait, Moose, tell Kevin to follow us.
Hi, how are you?
Find sticks.
Ew, why is he so ugly? Do I have to press D? What the fuck is Kevin doing?
Don't worry about Kevin. Kevin is like the greatest man you ever meet. He's the sexiest man you ever. Let's see if we die from this. Oh, look, a stick. You bet. Moose, I found sticks, but...
Ooh, that's a nice looking hatchet.
Oh, yeah. Where's Kevin?
I don't know.
Okay, don't worry about Kevin. No, don't chop that. We don't need that. We have to go down somewhere we have the resources.
Why are you so fast? What the hell?
Right.
Is there stamina?
Yeah.
Oh, but it refills so fast.
I think I know where I came here with Ethan.
I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, I see. Is that Kevin?
That is not Kevin. Moose, that is not Kevin.
What the fuck?
Moose up. Moose, pull out your knife right now. Just run, Moose.
No! No!
Moose,
No.
they fell out. They fell out. Oh my god. I'm popping pills.
What the fuck? I don't like he's getting around. What is that? He's to our left. He's to our left. He's here. Oh no, that's. Oh my gosh, fucking Kevin, bruh.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, I figured out how to put my knife away.
Oh shit! I see something.
What the? Kevin just spawned in front of me.
Bruh.
There's something behind Kevin. Ah, behind Kevin.
Yeah. Moose, just come here and loot. Oh, they have important stuff. Yes. Give me that.
Oh my God, Kevin, bro, stop scaring the shit out of me.
I turned on the radio.
Are you an idiot?
I didn't mean to. Moose, just come.
Emanuele, nah, bro, this.
I would go. We scared them away. We're Gucci. I'm alive, Moose, and we're Gucci.
Gucci.
Ah!
What?
Oh my
What?
God. Oh, I
What?
just got it. I'm alive.
Gucci.
Ah!
Oh, you're scaring me so bad, bro. I don't see him. Where is he?
He was in the bush. He just crawled out with a. Oh shit, he's right here. There's two of them, Moose. Look down.
Oh damn.
Let's fight him, Moose.
That butt.
Ah. They're in the bushes. The fucking Vietnam. We're going over here. Oh God, we're not ready for that.
Where's Kevin? Oh, there he is. Behind Kevin is a cannibal.
Moose, run.
What, bro? Tell me, bro. You can't say run after you're already running.
Oh wait, Moose. Oh, this is a really good place for a house. Wait, my mom is calling me. Protect me.
No, bro. There's a cannibal.
Oh, yeah.
Nah. Eat this, Kevin. Oh, I'm sorry, Kevin. There's a cannibal! There's a cannibal on the rock here behind you! Cannibal!
Oh!
Monkey! Get the monkey! Get the monkey!
Ow! Kill him, goddamn.
You stupid monkey! Oh, get back here, you damn monkey!
Matthew's going. What do you want? We're in the middle of something, Ian Moose. What the hell? No, my game. Don't tell me it crashed. What? No, my game crashed. Moose, we were so close.
Your game crashed, bruh.
You broke my game, Matthew. Go kill yourself.
Wow, Matthew,
Go
thanks.
kill yourself, Matthew. No, I lost all my progress. I hate this, Moose.
That. How do I do that?
Got sticks from your inventory and go.
I heard something. I heard a scream.
You're fine, Moose. Okay, I'm almost there.
12 seconds later.
I died. I fell once. I fell
Oh hell no, bruh.
from 1 foot and I
hell
died. That's
no.
bullshit. Moose, can you come save me? I'm in the. Oh shit! I'm in the. Just kidding, Moose.
Oh my God, what happened to you, bro? What happened to you?
I'm at a camp full of cannibals. Wonderful. I need to escape this. Oh look, there's loot. I'm going for the loot and run.
Yeah. You know what? You got that, right?
I'm doing this. Yeah, I got it. I'm doing this shit. Oh. I got found foot.
I see two cannibals coming towards me. Help.
Moose, they're on me. Move, no, move, bro. Move, oh. They're looking at my ass. Huh?
He can dodge? What the fuck?
Wait, Moose, where you at? Moose, there's 4 of them. There's 5. Oh, goddamn. Moose, they're following me, Moose. I don't like that.
Come here, monkey. I killed the monkey.
I got my loot. He's behind me.
I see you. You are not the thinker.
I'm holding up a stick. I got a stick somewhere. Oh,
Why do I hear so much water? Stay back from Kevin.
20 minutes later.
Hi, Emanuele.
What the? Are you good?
Oh, what the hell?
What's up, baby girl?
Ooh la la.
Let me get your number. No! No, wait, no, don't hear, don't hear, don't hear. She's good, she's good. Good. Go on my dick?
Come here, come here, come here, boy! Come here!
Bro, Moose, why did you do that? I thought she was friendly. More help.
Get the hose.
Oh, where's birds? I'm literally just... Oh, look, the woman is back. She's going somewhere. I'm following. I got a grenade.
Turn off the stupid radio.
Oh, I just ate poison. Oh, shit. Oh, you can drink here, Moose.
Yeah, boy.
He's got a laptop. Can we bring this?
No, but it's a new egg.
Oh,
Here, Moose, go under this thing. Did he drop? Did the guy drop?
a dude fell to his death. Oh, he has a flashlight. I'm gonna grab that.
Yeah, because I dropped him.
You dropped him? Oh my god, that's messed up. Wait, I'm wasting.
He's
I'm
already
wasting-
dead, don't worry.
Oh. Behind us, behind us, behind us. Wait, let me equip it.
No, no, no. I got it. I got it. I got it.
Yeah, what an amazing shot.
Bro, I said let me handle it. No!
You know what, let's just go. I'm gonna eat canned food. Ooh, 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 ooh. Birds, 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 birds.
I've been
birds.
killing birds, bro. They don't. It doesn't do anything.
Oh my god, the spear is ass. Boost, boost, jackpot, look at that there. Wait, 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 do we have a bomb? Oh, I have a bomb. Boost.
Are you gonna blow them up, bro?
Yes.
Boom!
Oh my god!
Got
How do you know if they're cooked?
you see him turn brown. Hi, how are you? Oh my god, that
You got a problem, sir?
motherfucker, you just raised me up.
Behind you, yeah, behind you, monkey.
What am I doing? You just went like, you guys go ahead, Moose.
Time to die. Bro, his game crashed. That's the worst timing ever.
You guys go. Spooky, spooky, ooh la la. Let me cross my lights. Moose, let me out. Moose. Moose, let me. God, Moose.
I'm scared.
Yeah. Ooh, I found an air tank. There's an invisible barrier. We found an air tank. That's useful though.
Wait, that's it? That's our entire day?
No, no, we're gonna find a good one.
Oh, hey, look,
No,
there's a hut. There's a person's village over there. You wanna go steal?
Honestly, yes.
Oh, what the hell?
Hi, how are you?
Ah! This dude can block it! This dude blocks it, Moose! Moose! Big guy! Ah! Ah! Moose!
It's Goliath! Oh, what the fuck? Daddy's bar.
Moose are done.
Ah, it's chasing!
Moose are done.
Oh yeah,
Ow. Ugh.
I'm dead.
I died too. That was not a good idea.
What is Goliath? Huh? What? Why am I hanged right now? Oh, what killed me? Don't mess with... Oh no, Goliath is chasing Calvin. Oh no.
Oh, I see you on the map.
Wait, you didn't spawn here?
No, I didn't put on my. I didn't save my game over there.
No, thank you. No! No! Alright, let's begin.
Yo, there's a lady walking down the hill in a white dress.
Oh yeah, she's friendly. She, like, if you follow her, she takes you to good loot.
Should we follow her?
Yeah, let's follow her. Oh, she's
Hold on, we
scared.
should sleep low-key though.
Maybe I shouldn't have done that. You wanna go to sleep?
Yeah.
I just held up my axe and she was deathly afraid. It's just a monkey. Let's follow her, let's follow her.
Right.
Oh, here it is. Yep, this is the guy. Oh, it's another cave.
Are we going in?
No, cause I'm deathly afraid.
Bro, scared. Oh my god.
I'm for real scared. You wanna go in?
I'm going in, bro. Here we go. What was that?
I don't want to go down, man. Wow,
Oh
you're
my
pretty
God,
ballsy, bro.
It's just called not being a bitch, I guess.
Damn, you're so brave.
I am cool.
Not what I said.
We got bacon bites, bro.
Oh my god, that's Haram. An email, Zoom. Oh my god, turn off the flashlight. Thought you might find this interesting. We're calling it Artifact AI. Might be related to that cube you guys found. I don't know. Can we peek through the door? No, it's tinted.
It's all
They're
black.
tinted.
I guess that's it.
Yeah.
Until we find a key card somewhere.
I got crunchy munchies! Let's go.
W.
The woman back. I'm shooting her. I hit her! I hit her! Yo!
Bro.
I killed her.
Why do you sound so excited?
I am excited.
Oh! He's trying to lure me in there. That's creepy as hell. Why? None of that is necessary, sir.
You said you found a gun?
Dude, there's a village that's full of like loot. Really good loot. We need that loot. Oh.
Turn off the radio, bro. Yeah.
Oh! He's probably just dismantled.
Sure. And sure. Crunchy munchies!
Oh, watch out, there's sharks here. No, I almost got killed in my own world doing it.
This is the longest.
Coconut cherry.
Oh my god, turn
Coconut cherry?
For when you
You know what? You know, go ahead. Go.
I recognize it.
Watch. A pistol. Oh my god, a gun. It's just it's a pistol.
Wait, where? I got pistol rail. Are you sure you got a gun?
No, it's a pistol rail. It's not a full gun. It's a part of a gun. Oh, I was so excited, bro. It's just a gun attachment.
I know where to find a gun.
You just killed the turtle? Oh my god! I just ate it raw.
Yeah, same. I just ate it all.
Oh my god, you're an old man.
Wait.
You're an old man.
Oh shit. Oh, where?
Why are you going into the water, bro? Didn't you say there was
Follow me. Yo, that's where the gun is. Trust me. Oh, watch out, there's sharks, so you might die. Last time I was 1 centimeter close to get killed by a shark. If there's a shark, we're fucking screwed.
We're gonna be stranded.
Last time I just shot him to death with a gun.
I see trees of green. Sorry, I don't know what came over me.
Bro, get up!
Let me get up.
This is just... No, my dude.
Oh my god, bro, it's so slow.
I found a gun, baby. I have a gun.
Bro really fell over like that.
Did you have it? Oh! Yeah, Moose.
And the king goes skrrr. Pop,
Yes,
pop,
I can
pop,
touch
pop,
it.
pop. And the king goes skrrr.
No, no.
Oh! Wow, what was this man eating? The bro did not have the
Oh my
healthiest
god, oh
lunch.
shit, there's a shark, there's a shark.
Nah, really? I had no clue. Shoot him, Emanuele, shoot him! One shot?
Okay, I'm just making a run. Let me just save.
Oh! Oh, and his game crashed. And the king goes skrrr. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, pop. Oh, Emanuele disappeared. Oh no. Oh. I did not know that I would blow myself up like that. He's back! Don't do it! Don't do it! Hello?
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 Oh, yo, what's up?
Yo, what? I didn't know there was in-game thing.
Yeah,
Emanuele, I hit a propane tank with my axe and it almost killed me.
Good job.
Walkie-talkie. Shh. Coming, Emanuele. Come in, Emanuele. Shh.
How are you? Shh.
Shh. You're gay. Shh.
Shh. Go fuck your mom. Shh.
Shh. Already did. Shh.
Shh. Fuck your dad. Shh.
Shh. Already did. Shh. Shh. Wait, what? Shh. Oh, you're not an old granddad anymore.
Daddy. Explore. Wait, no, we should go build our house. Never mind. Let's go build our house. I'm kind of lost. And why does that random do in the water?
But all. And boom, second floor's complete, guys.
Let's go. My garden's growing nicely, guys. Just thought you'd like to know.
Yes, I'm very proud of you, Ethan.
You want to explore something before Emanuele has to go?
Yeah.
Oh, I just killed a rabbit.
Let's go.
Let's go on an adventure.
Alright, let's go.